Welcome, gamers. Today, we're diving into the world of Counter-Strike 2 and how to take full advantage of GeForce Now integration. Latency can make or break your gaming experience. Let's talk about optimization techniques that will help reduce lag. Balancing performance and visuals is key. I'll guide you through the best settings to ensure smooth gameplay. Key bindings and sensitivity settings can drastically affect your gameplay. Let's customize your controls for peak performance. Voice communication is crucial in team-based games. Here are tools and tips for effective communication with your teammates. Streamlining your setup is essential for optimal performance. Let's look at the best hardware configurations. GeForce Now offers incredible game streaming advantages. Discover how to make the most of its features. Experiencing lag or connection issues. Let's cover some common troubleshooting tips to keep your gameplay smooth. Mastering map knowledge and strategies is key in competitive play. Here are some techniques that will give you an edge. To wrap up, we've covered essential tips for mastering CS2 with GeForce Now. Good luck, and may your gameplay be epic.